me try the color, and every time I try a color, y'all, I get reminded that colors on synthetic wigs are what you need to try if you're curious about colors.
Oh God, yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I am reviewing a wig for you guys from the Outre Lace Closure Wig collection. This is a human hair blend. I have reviewed other wigs from this collection, but this is a new style, okay, and a new color. So I do have some things to tell you guys about this wig. It's not too much. This wig was really easy, but you definitely do want to stick around to hear what I think about this wig. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Consider sticking around if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump in.
Alright y'all, forgive me, I have a cold, but this voiceover needs to get done. So this is the Outre Malaysian Deep 26-inch wig. I have this new color, DRFF Honey Ginger Brown. This is what the cap is looking like. It's really stretchy, guys, and just that basic standard cap construction. So this is what the lace is looking like up against my skin. I really liked how it matched, and do y'all see these waves? I was really impressed. Really beautiful wet and wavy look. So I start off with my wig cap, y'all know, and of course I put the wig on and I'm excited or dramatic, whichever one you want to say, but not for real. She was really cute when I put her on, so I had to do a dance. This is what the closure is looking like on the sides. It fit my head really good, and then I just had to dance some more because she was cute. Good job, Outre, good job. So now I'm going in with my hot comb. I didn't have to pluck up this wig, which I was also really impressed about. I'll talk about that later. All I'm doing here is just brushing back those baby hairs, and she pretty much melted in. I didn't even cut the lace off yet, so I'm just using my eyebrow razor just to cut the lace to get it, you know, not so straight, a little jagged. And I'm playing with the wig. You could probably stop here and wear her glueless, you know, but y'all know how I feel about that. So I'm going with my bed head. I'm taking off a little bit of makeup on my forehead, and I'm just spraying that bed head directly to my forehead and applying that lace right on top of it and just pressing it in. Really simple, really easy. And dance some more because we need easy wigs. Real easy. Guys, let's appreciate the fact that I didn't even use makeup underneath this lace. And do y'all see how she's melted? She's like looking really good. So I like going in with my lace melting spray on top of my lace these days. It really does give it extra layer of meltage, if that's even a word. I just made up a word. Anyway, so I'm just going in with that melting spray and just applying it directly onto the lace and pressing it in. Again, I just love the way it melts the skin right. Melts the lace right into my skin. Y'all see that? I told y'all I'm getting over a cold, and I think I might still have a cold. I might still be sick, but anyway. So I'm taking off this elastic band. I just had it on for about 10 minutes, guys, and I'm just playing with the wig, feeling her out, and now I'm just gonna kind of customize it some more. I didn't know if I wanted to wear it in the middle. She'll be cute in the middle, but y'all know I like my flip over, so I went in with my flip over. And one thing I like about this wig is it's a human hair blend, so I was able to go in with a little bit of that styling mousse and kind of bring the curls back. I'll tell you guys about that later again too. So I'm just going in with the mousse on the side. This is a lot of body. It's like setting lotion, and it's just really bringing those curls back. And to stretch the product, I'm using water on top of that, you know, just to kind of get it wet and bring those curls back. Now I'm attempting to try to play with this one little baby hair that's in the front here, and I'm using my She Is Bomb edge control. I really love this edge control, guys. And then I'm gonna go in and fix the lace a little bit. It's a little white cast, so I'm going in with a deeper shade powder just to kind of match it some more. And then I'm putting a little bit of powder in the parting space, and that was pretty much it, guys.
Give you guys some specs, and then we're going to talk about the wig. Okay, so this is the Outre. This is the Outre. Why do these wigs make me so excited? I have no idea, but this is the Outre 5x5 lace closure wig. I have the style HHB, that means human hair blend, Malaysian deep 26 inches wig. I hope y'all doing okay. I'm feeling real good. This wig got me feeling real good. So if you guys aren't new here, you know that I have already reviewed wigs from this collection, and I am hype because I was waiting for more wigs to come out. So this one is a deep kind of water wave look. It's like a wet and wavy look. If you're not familiar with this collection is a new collection from Outre. This video is not sponsored. I actually did purchase this wig with my own coins because I love this collection so much, and I wanted to see what Outre was bringing us with this collection. It's a 5x5 lace closure wig. That means you're going to get 5 inches going across and 5 inches going back of lace. Now, the fact that it's a closure means that you're not going to get lace going all the way down, but I'm okay with that because I'm a little lazy and I don't feel like securing the whole wig. But again, we'll jump into that in a second. This wig, you can wear it glueless. I was debating. Y'all, I didn't wear her glueless. I'm pretty sure if you go in with like some bobby pins and your setting lotion, you can wear this wig glueless, but I need security, y'all. I need that little bit of security that my wig is not gonna start slipping back. It's hot outside. It is hot outside. So when I start sweating, I do not need the wig to just start slipping, okay? So I did not go in with this wig glueless. I went in with my bedhead spray. This is not glue. This is a temporary adhesive. I do take my wigs off at night. Going in with this adhesive, I just spray it and it secures it for a little bit, but you take it off at night and use a little bit of water and it lifts right up. It says this wig is an HD transparent lace. I do agree with that. I mean, this lace is kind of stretchy. I really do like the laces on these collections because it matches really good. I did not tint this lace at all, y'all, and it's matching to my complexion really nice. Like, I just went in with my adhesive spray and a little bit of powder and it melted in really good. Now, I'm not sure what complexion you might be, but I'm really confident that this might melt into your complexion. I mean, it's a good medium kind of brownish lace. As far as the length goes, guys, this wig does say that it is 26 inches. This is what she's looking like. It does have some layers in this wig, so I do like that. This is where she's coming down kind of above my belly button. And in the back, this is what she's looking like. Definitely much longer in the back, but over time, I probably will just like cut up this wig. That's what I do with synthetic wigs. I just kind of start chopping them. You can cut this wig. It's not a problem. The color that I do have, I did try a new color for you guys because I'm big on trying colors sometimes. I mean, I've been ordering a lot of black colors lately, but I was like, let me try the color, and every time I try a color, y'all, I get reminded that colors on synthetic wigs are what you need to try if you're curious about colors.
Oh God, yes.
This color is the DRFF2 Honey Ginger Brown. Now, this is a new color for Outre. I haven't seen this color before, but because I love ginger brown and I love honey brown, I was like, okay, they mixing colors together, so let me go ahead and try it. And I tried it for y'all because I like y'all. I like y'all a lot. The ginger is more in the back. It's more kind of around the wig. The ginger is all throughout the wig, but the honey, the blonde, is kind of more at the top, if you could see. It's just like highlights of the honey brown. So it's a really cute blend, and like I said, I was curious about it, so I tried it. And it didn't disappoint. The roots are like 1B number 2-ish. Probably could have used like a number 4, but it still works. It works. You can part this wig any way you like. I chose to go in with the side. You can go in with the middle, and y'all know I like my flip overs. Y'all know I like my flip overs. It does have this hand-tied lace, so the knots on this wig are really, really small, and I really do like that because I did not pluck this wig at all, y'all. I basically went in with my hot comb and brushed those baby hairs back and went in with a little swoop, and boom, we're here. That's all we did on this wig. It does come with a pre-attached elastic band, so you can wear this glueless, like I said, if you want. But I do suggest going in with a little bit of bobby pins because we don't need those wigs right back. How do I feel about this wig? As you can tell, I'm hype. I cannot lie about how I feel about these wigs. I'm hype. I really do like this wig. It is reminding me of Outre Peruvian. That was like the first synthetic, like wet and wavy wig that a lot of people fell in love with. That wig used to be sold out constantly at my beauty supply store about 5 years ago. This is giving me that, but it's a human hair blend. So I do like the fact that I was able to go in with a little bit of setting lotion and a little bit of water, and the curls do come back. Now, I don't brush out my synthetic wigs. I stress this all the time. Do what you need to do with your wig in your life, but I feel like when you brush out synthetic wigs, it's going to get big, it's going to get frizzy. The more I manipulate my wigs as I'm playing with them, I'd rather get big and frizzy over time. Does that make sense?
Oh my gosh, yes.
So as I was kind of parting this wig and flipping this wig and just kind of playing with this wig, it's starting to get a little frizzy, but because it's a human hair blend, the water, the setting lotion is kind of bringing the curls back. So I do like that. Good job, Outre. Good job. I do feel like the more this wig frizzes out, like as you guys can see here, I am starting to get a little frizzy, but it starts to look more natural. So the curls aren't so defined as back here, but the more you play in this wig, it's gonna frizz out. It's gonna do what it needs to do, but it's a human hair blend, so spray a little water. And it comes back. It really does come back. You know, put a little bit of setting lotion or mousse or whatever you choose to use, gel. Y'all know I tell y'all use what's underneath your cabinet and it's gonna come back. So I do like that, but I do not suggest that you manipulate this wig too much because, again, it is synthetic. It's synthetic. It's a blend, but it's synthetic. Overall, I do like this wig. I think she's really easy for beginners. It's a classic kind of get up and go wig. It's perfect for the summertime. It's effortless. It's really effortless. I actually do want to go and get a natural color in this wig because I like her more than I thought I would. The cap feels good. I did pull out a little bit of my sideburns on the end there because it makes it look a little bit natural. And then this little attempt of a baby hair I tried to do here.
Thanks for trying.
It looks good. It doesn't require too much. You can put this wig up, but when you do that, you know, you're gonna have to put some hair down on the side because it is a closure. But it's not, this wig is cute. This wig is super cute. I don't know if it's the color or what it is, but this wig is super duper cute. I didn't know how I would feel about this wig, but I really like her. I love effortless, wet and wavy kind of look wigs because you don't have to put too much work into them. You put it on your head and that's it. You don't have to style it. You don't have to curl it. You don't have to do nothing. So wet and wavy wig. And it looks so natural. Again, I did review other human hair blend wigs in this collection. I'll leave links in my description box and I'll leave links in the cards if you want to check out the other ones. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig, but I think she's a beauty. You know what? It don't even matter what other people think because I like her and that's all that matters. If you like videos like this, definitely consider sticking around. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!